Big warning if you are coming to Argentina. This is certainly something that you do need to be aware of if you are traveling throughout the country. Now, obviously, if you look at a map of Argentina, Argentina is a very big country. It's very large. And also the vast majority of the country is very sparsely populated, which means if you are going from city to city or tourist destination to tourist destination, you are going to have long journeys if you are traveling by land. Now, there are decent bus connections throughout the country. There are different bus companies that do run intercity buses. And one of the major companies in Argentina is a bus company called Andesmar. Now, Andesmar are a bus company based in Mendoza in the west of Argentina, which is Argentina's fourth biggest city. And they run buses all throughout Argentina, so to Cordoba, Mendoza, down south to Bariloche. You can even get the bus over to Chile because they do run buses from Mendoza over to Santiago. And I also took the bus with them from Cordoba to Mendoza. So they are a big bus company. They are a popular company, but there are 3 warnings that I have for you if you are going to use this bus company. 1, they don't have any USB chargers or USB ports, so you can't charge your phone there. So you're going to have to make sure that your phone is fully charged before you get on the bus, or that you have enough charge with you. Second warning, there was no Wi-Fi available on both of the Andesmar buses that I took. Now, there was actually a Wi-Fi connection that you could connect to on both of the bus journeys, but the Wi-Fi just wasn't working, so do not expect Wi-Fi to work. And thirdly, if you are bringing a suitcase or a backpack with you to put inside the luggage hold, you are going to be charged 1,000 Argentinian pesos in cash to do that. So if you do not have 1,000 pesos in cash with you, well, they're not going to let you bring your suitcase or your backpack on board with you, because you have to pay them 1,000 pesos in cash for them to put your luggage into the luggage hold. And in fact, you really should have more than 1,000 pesos cash with you for these bus journeys, because the price may be different at the time when you're watching this video. And also, there may be a chance that you may get some guys who take off your luggage from the luggage hold when you arrive at your destination. And these people who very kindly take off your luggage outside of the hold to give to you, for you to collect, for you to arrive at your destination, they may demand some money from you simply because they very kindly took off your luggage outside of the hold to give to you. Now, this happened to me in Santiago, Chile. It didn't happen to me when I arrived in Mendoza, but it did happen in Chile. I don't know if this is a common thing just for Chile, and maybe this doesn't happen in Argentina, but I would just be aware of this just in case this does happen at some other bus stations in Argentina. Do have more cash on you than what you need, just to make sure that you can pay off these random guys if they do demand money from you for taking off your luggage. And also, just something else to mention, normally on these buses in Argentina, you do get different seat types. You normally get bigger, more comfortable seats on the bottom of the bus. Luckily, I was able to book these seats on both of my bus journeys, and they were very comfortable. But on the top floor, you do have much more uncomfortable, smaller, cramped seats. So I really do recommend trying to book your buses well in advance, because if you are going to get a bus journey, please do get those lower floor seats, because they're much more comfortable than those upper floor ones. But to be honest with you, my recommendation if you are going to be traveling throughout Argentina is to forget about the buses. I would just go straight for the flights, because the flight prices aren't too bad. They're not too much more expensive than these buses, and of course you'll get to your destination quicker. So I would recommend, if you can afford it, do fork out a little bit more money on the flights, because the domestic flight prices really aren't too bad. And you can use the Skyscanner link in the comment section and in the description to book your flight. So do go to the description and the comment section, do check out that Skyscanner link, and also do check out the other links in the description too. I do have links there to other products that you may be interested in purchasing, such as luggage, suitcases, VPNs, insurance. So do check out those other links. Now, I'm actually going to make a video very soon on a very smart and clever money saving trick that you can use when you are in Argentina to save money on flights throughout the country. So do make sure you subscribe, because my Argentina money saving tip video will be released in the next week, and that will be very useful for those of you who are coming to Argentina and traveling throughout the country. So do subscribe, and also do let me know in the comment section as well if you have used the Andesmar bus company, or if you have traveled with any other bus provider in Argentina. Let me know in the comment section what your experience was. Did you enjoy your bus experience in Argentina? Would you use the same bus company again, or would you just take the flights next time if you had the chance again? So do let me know your thoughts. Do let me know if you do have any questions for me on bus travel or travel in general in Argentina. And also do click the like button if you have found this video useful and helpful. Again, it really does help out the channel and it really does help out the video. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.